Guys, at a restaurant, this is our dessert.
Ay, wag na.
Look what's in it. Look like vanilla.
Chicken. Gusto ko yung ulam natin. Hindi ba nasisiraan kaya kunti-kunti lang.
That's so
Gusto
good,
kong
guys.
Tim.
And look at this.
Ay, itong ano mo. Ay, ilagay natin dito.
Lagay mo yan, kainin niyo na mamaya.
Ilagay ko sa top.
It was literally so good. Guys, I have, these are mine. Yeah, let's go. They're so good.
Busog ba? Busog.
Eat. Oh my god, that's so good.
Are you a vlogger? Sweet man. Mag-eat ka muna ba? Nag-gain na naman ng weight na. Si mama.
Exercise tayo mamaya, Matt.
Kagabi pa ako kumain ng madami.
Ay, si Ate Lea ang nagluto doon kayo.
Sarap yung magluto si Nietzsche.
Ano yun, magpapa-order din kayo pag close na ang kubo.
Oh, that's,
Mas.
it's looking the best thing I tasted in my whole life.
Sa birthday dito, magluluto sila,
Oh my god, that's so good.
I think I need a new cell phone. I can
tara
have
na.
a cell phone.
Tara na. Magano tayo? You want this phone? After, by next
Yung
year.
kuya mo, may ano siya.
Has it
Ay,
finished
tapos
this
na
one
yung
now?
phone niya ngayong October.
Oh.
Yes, good. It's really good.
Oh my god, the last one.
May taga-ubas pala tayo, te.
Paano yung milk tea mo?
Ano siya nagayat?
Meron yata. Nasobra na ako sa kain.
Lakad-lakad muna natin, te. Para bumaba.
Will I make a part two if I go here?